Well, hey everybody, backyard scrapping here. We've got a mail call to do, a way overdue mail call, I may add. As you can see, this came from Canada. This is from Redneck Stacker. I've actually had this thing for, I don't know, maybe 10 days or more. It just seems like the hurrier I go this past few weeks, the behinder I get. But anyway, I need to get this mail call done. Again, Red, I apologize. I've just been running like a chicken with my head cut off lately. I don't know why, but... So let's see what Redneck Stacker sent us. It was a surprise. I didn't know it was coming. So, let's see what's up. Oh, awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome. Oh, I love this thing. I love, you guys see that? Oh man, that is cool. I guess this is my official Redneck Metals ball cap. That is freaking awesome. I love it. Let's see what he's got here. He's got something else here. Let's see what's in the note. That is freaking awesome. I absolutely love that. Got me a little Redneck Stacker sticker. BYS. Here is Lucky 13 of my new channel round. I hope you like it. The mold was carved by hand by your skull brother Bradley Height. Alright. And here's a hat. Welcome to the Redneck Metals family. We're glad to have you. Your friend and brother Redneck Stacker, aka Big Country Scrapper. Alright. Well, Red, I appreciate that, guys. From Redneck Metals, I appreciate that. And I got to get in here. Got to get in here. This was totally unexpected and awesome. Make sure that got everything out of there. Red, you pack like I do. You don't want nobody to get it. Let's see. Trying not to tear anything up. Get the COA. Okay, so it is our Redneck Metals COA. It's Redneck Stacker channel round 999 fine silver. Redneck Stacker 2.2 troy ounces, number 13. Alrighty guys, let's take a look at it. Alright. Oh, that is freaking awesome. That is awesome, man. I really appreciate that. 2.2, it's got his channel logo on it. 999 fine silver and number 13, another lucky 13 to add to my collection. Red, I really appreciate that. I appreciate the hat, the note. My friend, I'm sorry it took me so long to get to this. Like I said, I've just been kind of, it seems like since all this COVID stuff started, I'm busier than an ant in a rainstorm. But anyhow, I really appreciate it. Thanks so much. Don't forget, everybody, there is going to be an auction May 31st for on Redneck Metals. In fact, I got to get to work and get my pours done for that. But go check out Redneck Metals. Check out Big Country Scrapper, aka Redneck Stacker. And I really do appreciate it, Red. That is really sharp. Thank you so much. Thank you for another beautiful 13 from my collection. And everybody, we will see you in the next video.
I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.